Hi, welcome to LuamLoves. I'm Luam and I'm wishing you all perfect health and happiness. This video is a sewing tutorial, super easy make for this outfit that is part of my birthday edition royal blue video. So if you haven't seen that, you might like to check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell icon for notifications of when I upload. Lay out your chosen fabric. You only need to cut a lining if your fabric is sheer like mine. The shape of the dress is literally just a square with a 4-inch corner cut off. The square is folded over, so you will have 4 layers for the outer and 4 layers of lining as it's folded. So opened, you will now see we have a back and a front lining and a back and a front outer sequin fabric. We will gather the top of the dress and attach necktie loops, 1 for the front and 2 for the back. The necktie will thread through these loops, and this is how the dress is held up. Here we need to cut a split at the back 4 to 6 inches down from the neck. This is so our head will pass through easily. So here we have all our pieces. The front and the back lining, the front and the back sequin fabric, our front necktie loop, 2 back necktie loops and the necktie. Let's sew the side lengths of the dress. Here we are stitching the back neck split, right sides of fabric facing together. Here you can see we have made an opening at the back. This could also be worn at the front. We are now sewing the gathers for the neckline of the dress. This is called the push-through method. This is the other method you can use. Just stitch straight across your fabric. Then knot one end of your threads. Use the thread at the other end to push the fabric . When you are happy with how your gathers look, knot the other end so that your gathers are sealed in place and cannot fall back out. We can now stitch our necktie loops ready for placement. First, we will sew our underarm seams. Remember, right sides of fabric go together. To attach our necktie loop, we sandwich it between the right sides of our dress fabric and lining. The right sides of the fabric will face either side of the loop. Now stitch across where our gathers were made. Use this same method to attach the back 2 loops. We just need to hem the bottom of our dress and we're all done.